So if you have been waiting for the visa application centers in India to open so that you can submit your biometric information for your Canadian upcoming visa, then this is the video that you must be watching, because the Canadian High Commission in India just recently, in fact just about an hour ago, updated this information on Twitter that they will be accepting the biometric information starting the November 20. More details to come in this video. Be tuned till the end. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice here inside Canada. My office is in Ontario, and if you have to get in touch with me, please take a note of my contact details in the description box and on the screen right now. Guys, if you want to be updated about Canadian immigration, any news or program related updates or delivery updates, then this is the video that you must be watching, and the channel. Please be subscribed to this channel, and we regularly post a lot of details on Canadian immigration. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon and be a subscriber. Guys, just coming back to the topic of today's video, which is extremely important and a very positive, a very good news for a lot of people, tons of people who've been waiting for the Canadian immigration to open their visa application centers in India. So guys, the Canadian High Commission, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the Canadian High Commission has just tweeted this morning in Canada and evening in India that it's a 4-part Twitter update that I'll be reading one by one, and you will be able to take a note of the details. So this clearly talks about, the first part of it clearly talks about that the VACs will be scheduling limited biometric appointments as of November 20 in Delhi, Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bengaluru. Family class applicants and study permit principal applicants will have priority as we phase in the services. So guys, the biggest news, good news, is this particular Twitter update that I'm sharing. They have finally declared that starting November 20 they will be accepting biometrics, at least for the family class applicants and the student visa, the study permit applicants. The second part of this update says that clearly walk-in clients at the VACs are not permitted. So please don't walk into the visa application center. All appointments must be confirmed in advance. Please do not visit the VAC unless you are attending your own scheduled appointment. Okay, please take a note of that. You should not just walk into the VAC even to make an appointment. Do it remotely, do it outside. Don't just go to the VAC if you're not supposed to be there. If you have a unique biometric instruction letter issued by IRCC, you will receive additional instructions via email to the email ID we have on file for you on how to schedule your biometric appointment. So if you have already received a biometric instruction letter, you will be receiving an email from IRCC to tell you how to proceed further on submitting your biometrics to the VAC. Also, the last part of it says that we appreciate your patience and more appointments will become available each week as we phase in this service. So guys, that's the horse speaking right away, that the VAC in India, like I said, in Mumbai, I'll just confirm once again. So the VACs in New Delhi, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bengaluru have finally opened. Good news coming your way, and you heard this first on this channel today. So guys, wish you all the best, and if you still have queries, please try and get in touch with us. Our details are in the description box and our number is on the screen right now. Please feel free to book an appointment and speak to us. Guys, once again, my name is Sahil and wish you all the best and see you soon in Canada.